Now, the challenge in making all these configurations should sort of highlight the fact that, especially as the number of Radius servers and Radius clients begins to get large, that it can get a little difficult to ensure that you have all the necessary policies and other configurations made appropriately. I talked already about when you're configuring those shared secrets, how the very long shared secrets can get a little unwieldy as you have to start plugging them in to various machines in both locations. Now, back over here under Templates Management is an admittedly not all that exciting, but kind of useful tool where you can go about configuring different templates to perhaps ease this configuration burden just a bit. Now, they're not terribly exciting, I must admit, but at least they provide you a way of templatizing some of the things that would otherwise be more challenging, like these shared secrets, for example. So here under shared secrets, let's say I had our shared secret here. When I configured a shared secret, just like before, I could punch in 123 as my manual password, or I could generate a very long password if I wanted to. But as I said, the hard part here is that I have to punch all these numbers in. Well, if I create a template right here, our shared secret, then when it comes time to actually configure a Radius client down here, to choose one new Radius client, I can apply that shared secret template down here in configuring that Radius client. So this provides at least kind of a slightly better way of configuring those Radius clients and also those Radius servers. I will also tell you that down here under IP filters is the other possibly complex location where you might need to configure some of these templates. So our IP filter would be the name. And here, if you were configuring IPv4 and IPv6 filters on either the input or the output side, I could use this as a mechanism to constrain all those different configurations, all those different filters that I would need to add in here to support whatever my needs would be. Now, these can then be used as part of configuring both your Radius clients, or in the case of an NPS proxy or a Radius proxy, you could do so over here for your remote Radius servers. And again, there's nothing really to look at here other than the fact that the templates exist and that you would use these to actually go about configuring the name and address and also some of the advanced settings here for a Radius client that you would be adding in later. Also down here under the remote Radius servers is where I could do the very same thing in configuring up one or more servers to create perhaps a group of Radius servers as well. Now, we won't get into the health policies and the remediation server groups that are down here because these have to do with network access protection. But for the most part, you should be aware that these templates exist. Again, they're probably less exciting than what you might think, but they provide a way to simplify some of the data entry requirements in getting your clients connected up with your servers.